In the past, you were often instructed to search for answers on your own. If you couldn't find or resolve the issue, you had to spend precious time opening a ticket and providing detailed information that you might not have even had. This can be incredibly tedious and time-consuming. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our brand new AI chatbot and email bot. It leverages artificial intelligence to automate the routine work that IT admins typically handle. And what's in it for you? An AI chatbot that can generate answers, recommendations, and even take actions on your behalf. If a more complex situation requires human intervention, the chatbot seamlessly handles the ticket creation process and routes it to the appropriate person, auto-magically. Just head into the self-service portal and open up the AI chatbot. Type in your request, for example, my keycard doesn't work. And ping! The AI chatbot provides step-by-step guidance on resolving this issue. It gives recommendations and specific solutions based on historical data and all the other available information. Suppose you have a trickier request. Let's say you write, "I keep getting blocked when trying to update Honeywell." The AI chatbot will answer and recommend opening a ticket. All you have to do is click on the link, and the ticket is automatically created. There's no need to specify titles, descriptions, categories, or priorities. AI does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can just get on with your tasks that matter the most. Or let's say an employee has their mails open. They can do the same process with our AI email bot. When an AI response is available based on the issue submitted, our bot delivers an immediate response to help you resolve issues before an admin even sees the ticket. So let's see how it works in practice. For example, let's say you want to find out how to enter the office if the campus gate is locked. And just like that, an answer will appear. If you're happy with the answer, all you need to do is click Issue Resolved. If you haven't got the answer you need, no worries. Just click on Continue to Chat in the chatbot, and we'll handle your query. SysAid Copilot puts generative AI into every aspect of service management, allowing you to get back to work faster and unleash your true potential for productivity.